Hello, my name is Emmanuel Abuyelu and I am a teacher. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, in this particular episode, I'm going to introduce to you a tool called Numicon, which is something that I've been using personally in the classroom for the last 10 years. My daughter now, my eldest one, is almost 5, and I've been using this tool with her also at home to teach her all types of skills, particularly the 4 main operational skills that we use in terms of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now, why is Numicon so great? Well, firstly, Numicon helps young people who struggle with understanding number, with mathematical skills, foundational skills. It helps them in many different ways. For instance, when we say to children, could you show me the number 4? Some children might struggle to do that, whereas we know that the number 4 could be represented by 4 apples, 4 pineapples, 4 fingers, for instance. Now, the reason why Numicon is great is because if I said to a child, could you, in this group of numbers here, show me the number 9? They could pick up this number, for instance, and what helps is they have a color that represents the number 9 consistently. They have these holes that represent the number 9 because there are 9 holes, and also this particular shape and the style of it is unique to the number 9 in a Numicon box. Now, with Numicon, you can use this to teach addition. For instance, if I had the number 2, and I asked my daughter to add 2 plus 6, she would be able to put these 2 numbers together just like this, and then she would then count. And altogether, she would have the number 8. And how do we know that the answer is correct? Well, if we picked up the number 8, and we know that this is 8 because it has 8 holes, if we placed it above it, just like this, it represents the number 8. If you had a number, for instance, the number 6, and I said, could you do 6 subtracting 2? 6 take away 2. You would need to place the 2 above the 6, and you would ask the child, how many do you have left? And I could go on. So this could be used not just for addition or subtraction, but it could be used for division, it could be used for multiplication, it could even be used for things like fractions, doubles, halves, odds and evens, and so forth. So, moving forward on my channel, I will be using the next couple of videos to introduce to you in a more comprehensive way how you could use this tool in the classroom or at home as a parent to teach your child the very basic fundamental skills in Numicon. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll be seeing you guys soon. Take care. Bye.